Seeker, empty the boat, lighten the load, be free of all the craving and judgment and hatred, and feel the joy of the way. Hello friends, I am Payal Goyal and today I am going to share with you all a story on why do we get angry? हमें गुस्सा क्यों आता है? There are many people who just say कि मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आता है, कोई और दिला देता है. मैं तो आराम से अपना काम कर रहा था and then the boss came and then he started shouting on me. So that made me angry. Or at the home, kids just broke something expensive or they started fighting with each other. So I became furious. Or someone passed a comment on me or said anything which I didn't like. That again make me angry. So if you are the one who thinks कि आपको गुस्सा आता नहीं है but कोई और दिला देता है, then do watch this story. But before I start, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell. So let's start the story. Once there was a monk and he used to meditate with the fellow monks in his monastery. But he was not able to do the meditation properly there. Whenever he used to sit, he just get disturbed with the passing by of the fellow monks or the flock of the birds or sometimes by the sound of the animals, which made him angry that I am not able to meditate. So one day he decided that okay, I'll go very far away where no one is around and I can do it peacefully. So he decided to go in the middle of the river. He took his boat, rowed it to the middle of the river, middle of the water, and there itself he started meditating in the boat. Some time went by, he was meditating peacefully, but then he felt something colliding with his boat. But then he brushed the thought, he again started doing the practice. उसने फिर ध्यान लगाने की कोशिश करी. But then again the same thing happened. Then it happened, when it happened 3 and 4 times, he just opened his eyes, his anger, and turned around to shout on the person who was disturbing him. But when he turned, what he saw to his surprise was just the empty boat, which had probably got untethered and had drifted along in the breeze to the middle of the water. So with this incident, he realized that the anger is inside him. It has no relation with the outside circumstances or the instances. अभी इस पीसफुल सीरीन जगह पे जहाँ दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है, वहाँ पर भी इस मॉन्क को गुस्सा आ गया. So that was the moment of self-realization, that aha moment for him, where he got that understanding. He realized that the anger is within him. It just needs the bump of an external object to get out of him. In reality, we all have that anger within us. And what it needs, the push of an external object like the empty boat. But first of all, we need to understand that हम ही है जो गुस्सा कर रहे हैं. Only then we can control it. He or she made me mad or he or she made me angry is of no importance. No one can make us anything. If we are at peace and content with ourselves, we are in love with ourselves, we have emptied our boat, then we need not to choose anger or frustration. I know it's easier said than done, but we can at least give it a try by consciously thinking about the empty boat whenever we are getting angry due to the outside circumstances or we are thinking that someone else is making us angry. And I like to end here with a famous quote of Gautam Buddha. Seeker, empty the boat, lighten the load, be free of all the craving and judgment and hatred, and feel the joy of the way. So, how you found my story? Do let me know through your comments, and don't forget to like and share with your loved ones. Until we meet again, stay safe, happy and healthy. Bye-bye.